What are best exercises for beginners? For beginners, it's essential to start with exercises that build a solid foundation, targeting multiple muscle groups. Here are some of the best exercises. First, squats. Squats are a fundamental exercise for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core. Start with bodyweight squats, focusing on proper form. Keep your chest up, back straight, and knees in line with your toes. 2. Push-ups. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Begin with modified push-ups on your knees. If standard push-ups are too challenging, ensure your body forms a straight line from head to knees and toes. 3. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are great for the posterior chain, including your back, glutes, and hamstrings. Begin with light weight or even just a barbell and focus on maintaining a flat back. 4. Dumbbell rows. Dumbbell rows target your back and biceps with one hand on a bench and the other holding a dumbbell. Pull the weight towards your hip while keeping your back flat. 5. Bicycle crunches. These are effective for working your obliques and lower abs. Lie on your back and alternately bring your elbows toward the opposite knee while keeping your core engaged. 6. Glute bridges. Glute bridges strengthen your glutes and lower back. Lie on your back with knees bent. Lift your hips towards the ceiling and squeeze your glutes at the top. Start with 2 or 3 sets of 8 up to 12 repetitions for each exercise, ensuring proper form to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness.